Hi guys, I'm Kayla, fashion and beauty producer at Revelist, and today I'm going to show you how I created this Halloween masquerade mask using products you have in your makeup collection. Halloween is just around the corner, and it is the one day a year where adults can play dress up and it's deemed socially acceptable. So of course, I had to get in on the fun. I know what you're thinking, masks can be very intricate to do, and sometimes people actually spend money to get professional makeup artists to do them. But you don't have to break the bank this Halloween because I'm going to show you how to accomplish this mask using products you already own. Let's go! I'm going to start by outlining the shape of my mask using a white eyeliner. White is the best color to use because it's easy to swipe on and off or correct yourself if you make a mistake. Next, I'm going to be applying the eyeshadow. I suggest using a shade that best complements the outfit that you're going to be wearing with your mask. I'm applying it to the outer corner of my eyes first, and then layering it on so that it looks really dark. I then begin to shade it towards the middle of my eyes, doing this in the shape of a cat eye. Now just blend everything out. Once you are confident in the shape of your mask, go over it with a black eyeliner where you place the white eyeliner. This will begin to make your mask actually look bold like a mask. To enhance my mask, I'm going to add glitter. I'm using a glitter eyeshadow topper, and this is the best way to apply the glitter around my eyes. It makes it neat, and the application is easy. Use a black liquid liner to outline over the glitter to create a gradient effect. Now I'm going to begin to connect the eyes of my mask over my nose by drawing squiggly lines. Now that the foundation of the mask is complete, I begin to draw more squiggly lines around my cheek area just to kind of give the mask more of a festive look. There's no particular way you have to do this. I kind of just squiggled as if I was doodling on paper. Now it's time to take it up a notch. I'm going to apply sticker rhinestones to bedazzle the mask and really make it look more like Hello Halloween. To finish my look, I'm adding highlighter on my nose and cheeks, and I'm also going to top it off with blue lipstick. And just like that, she is ready for the ball. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. This little trick was definitely a treat. I want you guys to tell me down in the comments, what do you plan on being for Halloween? Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!